Let's write our linear inequalities if we are given a graph. So our first step, the first thing we need to do is to calculate our slope. So let's go example first. Remember two ways to do that. When you have a graph, you can get these 2 points and do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or you can do rise over run. That would be 1, 2 on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and since very clearly this is a negative, so my slope is negative 2 over 5. It's a weird 5. Next step would be to identify the y-intercept. Remember that is where it crosses the y-axis. That is right here at negative 4. And then we need to figure out which symbol we've got. So remember that if the shaded area is above the line, we've got greater than or equal to, and if it's below the line, we've got less than or equal to, and if we have got a dashed line, we've got greater than or less than, and solid line greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So the shade is above this line, so it's either going to be greater than or equal to. We've got a dashed line, so out of those two, it's going to be the greater than sign. So then finally we can write our inequality equation. It's not an equation, but whatever. So we start with y. We're using the greater than. My slope is negative 2 over 5x minus 4. That's it. Identify piece by piece. I've laid it all out for you like that. So another example would be this one right here. We know we got a positive slope. So we would say that is probably 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 over 5. My y-intercept is right here at negative 5. My shade is below, so this time it's going to be less than or equal to. My line is solid, so it is going to be the less than or equal to. So this would look like y is less than or equal to 3 over 5x minus 5.